Hello, how are you all? Today we are going to learn how to change background and background color in VideoScribe. We can change the background and also the color of the background in VideoScribe. Go here, background options. We have background options, click on it, and there are some backgrounds available in VideoScribe. Let's first change the background. Let me select this and have a preview. And this is the background of this is how we change the background in VideoScribe. We can also change the color of the background. From here, change background color, click on it, and we have different options to select from. Let's select this color or any color that you would like to add to your background. You can apply that color in your VideoScribe. I have changed the color of the background. Similarly, you can also apply any color or to the background and also change any kind of background. You can keep it simple or any form to your background. Similarly, you can also vignette your background like soft vignette and hard vignette. Let's first have a preview of soft vignette. When you apply this, it will give you blur effect on sides and it is very soft. Similarly, we can hard it like this. Have a preview. It's hard vignetted. So from this option you can easily apply any background color or keep it simple white, whichever is your requirement. You can easily apply from this option. Now this is white background, but it is hard vignetted. I will go and simply remove it to no vignette. So this is our simple white background. So from this option, background options, you can add any color or change background to any form that are available in VideoScribe. If you have any question, please let us know in the comments. We will try to make videos on that topic for you.